A lot of flooring retailers ask us how Service Buddy can help their operations. I'm Tom, I'm the founder of Service Buddy. Since day one, our mission has been very simple. Help your team work smarter with better software. For the past 5 weeks, we've sat down with our customers to reimagine what the ultimate dashboard should look like, and it's finally here. You can now sort and filter based on any sort of time period you'd like and click directly into Service Buddy to see what those records are. From anything from revenue to new clients to completed jobs, converted quotes, new leads, all clickable right inside the new dashboard of Service Buddy. From an invoicing and payment standpoint, we can dive directly into what's been paid, what's unpaid, what's outstanding, and what's past due, so you can go ahead and take action on it. From a job standpoint, a lot of our customers will tag jobs or tag invoices if it's jobs with designers or residential clients or repeat clients. Now you can select the tags right into the dashboard, click into it, and Service Buddy will take you right there. From a job standpoint, we totally redesigned the calendar screen here. So now you can click directly into what you want to see and then click into the job here, see all the related details, and click a button, take you directly to that job. We're super excited about this dashboard. We think our customers are going to really like it. Can't wait for everyone to get in and try it out.